All right, we're going to look at division and remainder. So this topic, it's not that hard, but like it might sound a little easier than what it actually ends up being because they tend to take the form of word problems, right? Um, so we're going to look at two example questions and kind of work our way through them. Okay, so it says Frankie's Flowers sells roses only by the dozen. Okay, so you can't buy individual flowers. It's either you buy 12 or none. Okay, if Frankie has 95 flowers, how many flowers are left over and not used? Okay, so just important to understand what they're asking you, right? So he has 95 flowers. And he can only sell them by the dozen, right? And then we're kind of going back into uh, your division skills. All right, so 95 divided by 12. So, um, if you're thinking about this, then you're just kind of going your multiples of 12. Right? 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Times 3 is 36. Keep it going, 48. And that's 12 times 4 is 48. 60. Right? So if you're at the point where you can all of a sudden do this in your head really fast, great. If you're not, don't worry about it. 84, and then 84, and then 84 plus 12 is 96. Okay, so this 84 number is key, right? It's what we know is, right, this was 1, 2, 3, 12 times 4, 5, 6. So 12 times 7 is 84. Okay, so 12 times 7 is 84. And then 95 minus 84 is 11. Right? 11 twelfths or just 7 with a remainder of 11. And so the answer that we come up there with there is 11. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense how we went about that. But some of these may take a little practice. We'll look at one other one on division and remainders. Okay, Hector buys pizzas for a team party. There are 8 slices in each pizza. Okay, so he bought 5 pizzas, right? 8 slices in each pizza. So you can already tell it's going to be like how many slices are left once the team's done or something, right? Okay, so our first thing is how many total slices. Okay, and so that's going to be, we got our 5 pizzas, 8 slices per pizza, 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, and then we got 12 people on the team. 8 people had 3 slices, 4 people had 2 slices. Okay, I didn't really want that there. Forget about that. Okay, so you got the one 8 people have 3 slices each, right? So that's 8 times 3. You can kind of see as you're doing these, like why the multiplication skills really have to be done first, right? If you don't know how to multiply these, really the rest doesn't matter. We have to be able to get those right. Okay, so 8 people had 3 slices, 4 people had 2 slices. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. So this is the total slices. 24 plus 8. Okay. 24 plus 8 is 32. Okay. Now, we have 40 slices at the beginning before the party starts. We've had 32 slices consumed. And then the question is, how many slices remain, right? So then we just take the total, which is 40 minus the slices that we've eaten so far, 32. 40 minus 32 is 8. 8 slices remain. Okay, so that's kind of what you're going to be seeing with these division remainder questions. Are these two are really good examples, right? Here there was a bunch of multiplication, adding some stuff up, and then subtracting. So not really division, but we did end up with a remainder. And on the first one, right, was more division based, right, with the 95 divided by 12 and coming up with a remainder of 11.